In this video, we will be demonstrating some basic operations on the TRL-1340 lathe. Release the e-stop and make sure that the white indicator light is on. This lathe can run at 16 different speeds. Move the top lever to H or L to choose between the left and the right speed charts. This lathe has a 2-speed motor labeled as high or low with a switch. The low position allows you to toggle between the green speeds on the headstock. In this example, we have selected the L lever and low speed motor switch. This narrows down our choices to only A, B, C, and D. Here are a few examples. L, low, and B will yield 215 RPM, and L, low, and A will yield 50 RPM. There are 4 charts associated with standard threading and feeding. From left to right, these charts are metric threads, Imperial Threads, Whitworth Threads, and feeds. There are 2 change gear combinations on this lathe as shown in this diagram. This lathe comes with the top configuration allowing you to thread metric and Imperial threads, as well as allowing you to use the feed chart. Notice the difference in position of the 57 tooth gear. Here's an example. For metric threads, leave the first lever at the C position. For threading a 0.2 mm pitch, reread the chart to find that LT1Z is the associated lever positions that would give this thread pitch. We'll move the lever to L, T, 1, and Z. To cut Whitworth threads, the change gears need to be changed to the bottom configuration. In this next example, we will show you how to set the feed rate to 55 thousandths of an inch per second. The lever combination is HCS4X. We'll move L to H. C is already in position, 1 to 4, T to S, and Z to X. This lever controls the forward or reverse travel of the apron. Forward is the counterclockwise rotation of the feed rod, and reverse is clockwise rotation of the feed rod. Next, we will demonstrate the lever controls on the apron. This lever turns on the spindle. The down position is forward, and the up is reverse. Engage longitudinal feed by moving the lever to the top position. Reverse a longitudinal feed by using this plunger. We can switch over to cross feed by moving the lever to the bottom position. The cross feed direction can be switched by using the same plunger. Please note that it's not possible to engage the half nut while the apron is set to feeding. The Imperial chart has a V next to the picture of the thread. To cut an Imperial thread, the VWXYZ lever should always be on V. Now that we've chosen a thread, we will show you how to drive the apron. First, turn on the spindle, down is forward. Then, engage the half nut. The thread chasing dial on this machine will only work with Imperial threads. When the half nut is disengaged, the thread chasing dial begins to move. Depending on the pitch of your thread, the table shows you at what position the half nut may be engaged again.